What's up, everybody? Happy Friday. I am going to start down here. It is my deload day today, and I normally would get this workout done about an hour ago, but I was just interviewed for a YouTube channel, and the interview went way longer than I anticipated, so here I am. But the good thing is that because this is Friday and it's a deload workout, and because I'm not doing calisthenics, I'm doing weights today, I can do a safe and quick warm-up, which is my 4-3-2-1 warm-up. So a little bit of shoulder movement, bit of movement just to get the blood circulating, which I've already done. And now what I can do is, so I'm going to lift 20 kilos or 44 pounds for my first set, dumbbells. So I'm going to start on 12 kilos. So I don't know what that is, 27, 28 pounds. And this is a very nice light weight that warms up the movement pattern. It's very specific to the workout, and it is nice and safe because I'm doing, a 4-3-2-1. So 4 reps first, and then I do my antagonistic movement, which today is a bent over row. So I'm doing a push and a pull, as always. Okay. And then I'm going to do my 3 reps at 15 kilos. So I don't know, it's 35 pounds or something like that. And what this does is it really allows my body to warm up to the weight that I'm going to lift in a very specific way. Nice and safe, and gives me the opportunity to feel out the movement and see if this is, the right weight that I'm going to be lifting, or if I need to drop the weight. You can hear in my voice, it's elevating my heart rate because it's, quite fast paced. Doing a warm-up like this, well, the way that I'm doing it. But I'm going for a run on the beach with a buddy of mine in about an hour, and I've got to see my family first and say hello, so I can't mess around. Another, good shout out to the concept of just getting started, just jump up, bang, get your workout in. And then my final rep is on the weight that I'm actually going to lift. And that really warms up the muscles, warms up the nervous system. Now, if I was doing intensification training where I was lifting like max weight for 3 reps or 5 reps or something, I'd be taking more time between the reps, and I definitely would have done more of a warm-up. But this is, I'm doing sets of 8 reps today. It's not a heavy weight. And now I'm warmed up. Now I'll take a couple of minutes before I do my first set. So I'm just going to open my app up and I'm going to get my workout ready. Get my timers on. Oh man, it's going to be hot today in Avoca Beach. Based on the temperature it is now, it's 26 degrees. And it's saying it feels like 27 degrees Celsius. So that's, I think it's about 80 or 84 Fahrenheit, something like that. And I'm sweating. Sweating already at 6:50 a.m. Woo! Okay. Let's get into this. First set. All right. timer on for my rest period. So 2 minutes rest before I do my set of bent over row. And what I'll do in that time, I'm just going to do a bit of a stretch for my quadriceps. So I always do some lower body flexibility training in between my sets of upper body strength training. And I'm not warmed up at all for my hip flexors and my quadriceps, so I've just got to take it easy on this first set. But, you know, by doing some flexibility work for my lower body, for my hip flexors, for my quadriceps, I'm really maximizing the use of my time with active recovery. And this is a deload workout, right? So I'm only doing 2 rounds today of this, and then I'll just do a round of my shoulder conditioning, and that's it. That's a deload workout, 40% of the volume. It's really so that my body can adapt, and you know, the adaptation occurred, like the workout is the stimulus. So when you lift the weight, when you do the stretch, that's the stimulus to create the adaptation, but the catalyst for the adaptation to occur is recovery. So resting, reducing load of workouts, eating the right foods, getting the right sleep, all that stuff. So I do 2 deload days a week, because I work out at do a lot of volume in 1 week, a lot more than what the average person does. So I've got to make sure I'm not going to, you know, I'm giving myself the space that I need to adapt, to recover. All right, here we go. Oh. All right. 1 round down, 1 round to go. Man, I'm sweating. Woo! Get these reps recorded, and might get my timer on. God, it's so humid here at the moment. I don't know if you can see how much sweat is going on here. Oh, it's the middle of summer here in Australia, and it's yesterday and today are 2 of the hottest days we've had lately. So, you know, just got to work through it. I do enjoy training in winter, I think. I prefer rugging up, you know, in a tracksuit and a jumper and being a little on the cooler side than training like this. I don't really like dripping with sweat in my workouts. Sweat starts coming down my arms and onto my hands, and so if I'm doing pull-ups, I'm constantly having to dry my hands and then reapply chalk. I don't really like that. I prefer it when it's cooler. You don't have to go through all that. But yeah. All right, so I've got about 30 seconds left in my rest, and then I'll do my second and final round for shoulder press today, which is cool. It's always feels good doing a deload workout. Do you guys deload? Anybody? Put some hit me up in the comments. Let me know if you do deload workouts. If you know what deloading is. If you have any questions about deloading. All right, here we go. All right. I'll get back down here and do another set of my hero stretch. I wonder why this stretch is called the hero stretch. There's nothing heroic about it. There we go. Warming up a little bit now. It's Australia Day here in Australia. National holiday. Where we all celebrate being Australian. So we've got a bit of a luncheon event to go to, so I've got to make sure that I get my workout in early. So that I can do my handstand workout later. I got a PB on my handstands yesterday or the day before, can't remember. I think it was, I can't remember. 38-second hold. I was very proud of myself for that. That was good. All right, here we go. Oh, all right. Okay, so that's my primary lifts done. And now I'm just going to do one set of my supplementary. I've got to get some of this sweat off because my arm will not sit on my knee very well. I really should have bought a towel. I didn't think I was going to be dripping with sweat this early in the morning. Really didn't know it. Okay. Looking forward to that swim in the ocean in an hour. Let's see if I can do this with my shorts. Ah, woo. Ah, And that's it. Deload workout done. I'll see you in this afternoon's flow and handstand workout.